Everyone, I'm back with a new video because my glossy box for the month of October finally arrived and we'll unbox it together. It's a really heavy box this time, so I'm really excited what it has inside. So let's get right into it. The box is open and there is the glossy magazine. The theme of the month is pajama party, so I'm excited to see what's inside. We have the box right here, and we'll just open it up. As you can see, it's packed onto the brim. We'll see. First off, we have a Bloom Beauty Essence Day Spa. Oh, that's interesting. It's vitamins for your beauty, I guess. Let's see if we can open it. Okay, so it has like those pills inside. I've never had any supplements in it. It has amla fruit, guave. Okay, we'll try it out and see. I do take a lot of supplements anyways, so this will be exciting to test. And we got a face mask by a Skinfood Vegane. It's with green tea. It's a sheet mask, organic green tea for sensitive skin. It's new apparently. I've tried some of their masks before, but I don't think I've ever had the green tea one, so that will be exciting to test. Oh, and I got a little gift from Glossybox. Oh, it's a sleeping mask. How cute is that? Let's see. Oh, that is really cute, isn't it? Like, look at this. Yay, now I can go to sleep. Oh, I like this. This is cute. This is gonna be really nice for traveling, you know, when we go on an airplane, you know, it just helps a little bit with sleeping. And then we got something from Nutraskin. I believe their concealer before in a box, and it says with the Nutra Cosmetic app, Superwear HD Foundation, get the app. Don't know. Oh, and it has 3 shades, I guess, just like I had with the concealer. Unfortunately, the concealers were all too dark for me, so I couldn't use them. This is the foundation, and I guess you're supposed to mix it according to the app, so I guess I have to get the app. We'll try it. I got a, Lancaster sample. It's the Shield and Glow Primer, Broad Pollution Defense. Apply evenly every morning after your day cream and before your makeup routine. I've never tried a primer by Lancaster, so that should be interesting. And then we got MayBeauty, the incredible pore strip with charcoal. Okay, make skin wet, remove plastic cover, place black side on skin, let dry for 30 to 40 minutes. Wow. Maybe we'll try that on camera. I don't know yet. And then another big thing. Oh my goodness. It's Babor. Like, this is really expensive actually. They're ampoules. It's Make Me Glow infused with caffeine and peptides. Glow with the flow every single day. The Make Me Glow ampoule created by Michalsky lends your skin instant radiance without any makeup whatsoever and supplies it with moisture. This concentrate with caffeine immediately delivers a fresh, rosy complexion. Oh, I'm excited. Babor is a really, really good brand, skincare brand, and I've had things from them before, and I love them all, so I'm really excited. And it looks like this is like a special collection designed by a designer. Really nice. And then we got something for hair. It's by Gliss Core. It's Hair Repair Glossing Beauty Milk with milk protein. Repairs. Okay. I don't know. I've never really tried anything by Gliss Core. Maybe when I was younger. But we'll try it out and see, and it's for daily use if you wanted to use it daily. And then the last product, wow, that was quite a few products this time. I'm really excited. It's by Jean&Len. It's a shower mousse with green tea and lime. Okay. And it's vegan without silicones, parabens, and pH neutral. Wow. Okay, Glossybox. Exciting. I love shower mousses. They must be watching my videos. And then we'll get to the Glossybox magazine. Let's see. The Pore strips. It's €4 for 2 of them. 4. Okay. And that's the supplement. And they have 2 different ones. The day spa and the night spa. I got the day spa. And it's $6.95. So what now? 11. And then the milk, the hair milk, is $6.99. So we're at €18. We have the Skinfood mask. So that would make it 22. Oh, okay. Wow, so the Babor ampoules, they're €25. So we're at like what, 47 euro already for the box. So this is the ampoules. And then we have the shower foam. So that's 47 and 4, that's 51. 51 euros so far, so that's really amazing. Okay, oh, they had Caudalie in there too. Just I didn't get Caudalie, but that's okay. Okay. So the overall value of the box was €51 plus the little sample size of the Lancaster, the sample size of the Nutraskin foundation, the little extra present from Glossybox. So that's really exciting. 51. And then let's see. Okay, so the next edition is Make a Wish. So I guess we're going into Christmas season. So that's how it looks like, really cute. Very nice. I'm excited by this box. I think it's the first time that I'm excited about a box in quite a while. So yay, Glossybox. Yay, thank you so much for watching me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up down below as usual. And please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. And then I see you in the next time. Bye!